Guys, it's Alex here, and I've got some bad news. See this Wii? This is the Wii I did my... Where the hell is it? Alex plays new Super Mario Bros. Wii Part 2 video on. And I got some bad, horrible news. See, look, it's dead. It's broken. See, look, I have it plugged in to the wall, not a surge protector. It's plugged in. See, look. No power. Let me just go get my other Wii. Okay, guys, I got my backup Wii now. Fun fact. This is the Wii I did my first ever video on. Alex Plays Mario Kart Wii. And guess what? It's also my profile picture. I just took a picture on Brody's bed. And that's been my profile for over a year. So, put it in. What the... Nope. Okay. I'm just gonna put this here for now and take this Wii downstairs to see if it's the power cord or the console. The console. Okay, guys. I don't need it. Let's just get the power cord. Lazy game. God damn it. God damn it. Okay. Oh, it was just the power cord. I see. It was just my Wii's power cord. So, okay, I thought my Wii was actually broken.